Hey guys, what's going on? It's Sarah and Morgan, and we're here to tell you about our helicopter tour in the beautiful Maui. So stay tuned.
Come on, let's fly. I see you bright today. That's why we sing. All I know is you bless me. You fool me up.
Yeah, normally baby, these are all green.
Ready for our flight.
So right now they were getting us weighed, and we got to put all of our stuff away in the lockers and things like that. They line you up in order based on your weight and how they're gonna carry you in the helicopter, and that's about it.
Nurse 2 and then.
And what's your name?
Noah.
Noah.
You guys the same party.
Okay.
And then 4-7 behind, and out we go.
I'm so excited.
Thank you.
My phone. I need my phone.
You don't have your phone?
No, I think it's in my bag.
Go grab it. We'll wait for you.
Uh,
No problem. We're not in a rush. So I did a helicopter tour of Grand Canyon. Oh yeah? And the pilot was an ex-Vietnam pilot. Oh yeah?
wow.
And we took out of a high desert. Kind of skimming over the top of these, there's beautiful pine trees that are out there in Arizona. And we're going over, getting ready to go by the north station. He says, okay guys, it was just me and my son. He says, you can look up or you can look down. And all of a sudden, the helicopter looked, it felt like someone pulled the sheet off because it was straight down.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's a cool sensation.
Yeah.
Fun stuff. All right, I'm gonna walk down to the end and hold down there if you want.
Thank you, sir. Keep going?
Yep, just
Yeah.
follow me. Here's the blue box, here's the numbers, 1, 2, and then we got 5 and 7. And you get the front.
Okay, Morgan, your turn.
Yes.
That's awesome. Nothing better than a Vietnam veteran flying the helicopter. Yeah. Yeah.
Definitely the e-ticket ride.
This is cool. I'm excited. She did say so. A lot of the times she's come, it's a lot greener. Is it the time of the year right now?
Yeah, well, they've had a real bad drought here.
Oh wow.
Yeah, we usually come in August,
Yep.
and it's green then.
Yeah.
I guess a lot of it's getting smashed with rain right now.
On top of a gorgeous mountaintop. It was grassy, beautiful. We got to see views of Maui like we've never seen before. I highly recommend doing this with either your significant other or friends, family, anyone. It was such an amazing time. And yeah, So that's about all we have for today. After this, we landed. But any questions that you have about the helicopter tour or how much it is, things like that, go ahead and give us a shout out, comment, like, subscribe to our page, and thank you guys so much.